Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Global search not searching content of Netflix, Hotstar and Amazon Prime Video. Let me go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Select one Google TV profile. Let me select this profile Anna. Here you can see profile settings. Select your services. Here you can see list of streaming services. See, so right now I haven't attached this Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar and Netflix streaming services to Google TV profile. That is the problem. So I need to attach Netflix, Hotstar and Prime Video streaming services to Google TV profile. Done. After this we can test the search. It will search in content of these streaming services. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.